So this is going to be what I'm inspecting. So to start with, the condition of the metal pieces. So on here there's only one, which is the zip. From what I can see, there is a bit of corrosion in there from the salt when they're in salt water, not being cleaned properly. Other than that, it does work in good order. So that would be a thermometer, I would say. So thermometer on my form. Alright, condition of the main materials. So on this, it's got fabric and you've got the foam inner. So from what I can see, there is a bit of wear from mud and just friction on different objects. There's UV damage as well, which is another one on my checklist. You can see this because if you compare the inside, it's much more vibrant than the outside material. So that would also be a thermometer. And then effects of UV damage is thermometer. So heat damage and melting damage. So I can see that there's a bit of glazing on the straps. This might be from continual use on the buckles and just fastening up really quickly. These buckles are very stiff, which is another thing to comment on. There is a shine on the webbing that you can clearly see. Other than that, there isn't any melting anywhere else. So I would say that is a thermometer. Wear and abrasion marks. As previously mentioned, there is some abrasion on here and here. You can see that's a slight fraying. It's only very small. Probably won't show up on video, but there is some. Yeah, there's also wear on the joins. You can see there's because different colours, which means they'll be in contact with other things, which will cause wear over time. The next thing is cuts, tears, pulls, and loose threads. So clearly the obvious one is the shoulder straps. These are beyond repairable, so that is a fail for the buoyancy aid. These are very important parts because this is what you can lift people by, so they need to be very strong. Yeah, other than that, there's a few loose threads here and there. The buckle's quite stiff, that would be a to comment on, although it does still work. Yeah, so overall this would be a fail for the obvious strap reasons.